Good morning, students. This is Miss Jessica Lau. Today is February 19th, and it is the first day for us to videotape the lessons for all of you. The way the lesson is carried out is that each day we'll go over the answers for the homework assigned yesterday. Then I'll teach a few pages from the textbook. Homework will be assigned at the end of the lesson, so please finish the homework assigned today before watching the video for tomorrow. Last week, the material for Chapter 19 and 20 were given to you, so today we'll start using Book 2C. I'll go over Part A of the first chapter for Book 2C, which is page 1 to 3. Page 1. James is going to complete his jigsaw puzzle. He has put 999 pieces together already. There's only one more piece to go. If we add that one piece to the other 999 pieces, how many are there in total? Let's find out using counting blocks. This is one block. 10 counting blocks form a row of counting blocks which make 10. 10 rows of counting blocks form a flats which makes 100. 10 flats form a large block which makes 1000. 999 counting blocks plus 1 counting block make 1000. 1000 is a 4-digit number. It is written in words as 1000. Now turn to page 2. We are using counting blocks to show a 4-digit number. So 3 large blocks make 3000. 2 flats make 200. 4 rows of counting blocks make 40. And 5 counting blocks simply make 5. So you need to add up the numbers. 3000 plus 200 plus 40 plus 5 equals 3245. Now let's move on to question number 3, part A. Let's use an abacus to show 4-digit numbers. Remember, 0 to 9 are the digits we use to form a number. There are different places in a 4-digit number. They are the units place, tens place, hundreds place, and thousands place. The place value of a digit in a number depends on which place it is in. Example, when 6 is in the thousands place, it stands for 6000. When 3 is in the hundreds place, it stands for 300. And when 0 is in the tens place, it stands for 0. When 5 is in the units place, it stands for 5. So 6305 is written in words as 6305. Some students may find part B a bit difficult because they did not know how to write a 4-digit number with zeros in words. Remember, we do not need to write zeros at the end of a 4-digit number in words. Also replace 0 in the tens place or hundred place by the word and when the 4-digit number is written in words. 2040 is written in words as 2040. Now turn to page 3. For Maths Alive number 1. There are 100 plasters in each box. How many plasters are there in 10 boxes? Plaster is another word for band-aid, which is an adhesive strip of material for covering cuts and wounds. You can think of 10 100 as adding 100 to itself 10 times. So there are 1000 plasters in 10 boxes. Number 2. Can you find other things related to 1000 in our daily lives? Many products are packed in groups of 100 or 1000, such as 1000 staples in a box. Let's work on the classwork. Question number 1. 2 large blocks make 2000. 4 flats make 400. 3 rows of counting blocks make 30. 6 counting blocks are just 6. Adding them together, we have 2,436. You work on question number 2 and number 3 on your own. Answers will be given tomorrow. Homework for today will be textbook 2C page 3 classwork number 2 and 3. And also you have to refer back to your previous textbook, textbook 2B page 75 to 76, which is the integrated exercise 4. For question number 2 and 4, when you're asked to fill out the word before the word pyramid or prism, we need an adjective in front, such as triangular, quadrilateral, etc. For part C, when you're asked to tell the shape of the lateral faces, we refer to the 2D shape, such as squares, triangles, rectangles. Remember to add s at the end if there are more than one. For question number 7, part C, you try to count the 11 days in which the first Friday is the first day. But remember, the last day of the holiday is not the day Ada will go to school. She'll go back to school after her holiday has finished. For question number 7, part E, it says that Ada's birthday is on the last day of the previous month. Previous month means the month that comes before February. You also need to know the number of days in that previous month. The last day of that previous month would be her birthday. So I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.